Hey guys, hope you're having a wonderful week. If you're new to my channel, this is to let you know that I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Today we are going to cook a tasty classic recipe all the way from the beautiful state of Arunachal called Ili, where the pork is cooked with ginger. The recipe is very simple to prepare and it's almost similar to a congee. There are also plenty of similar recipes across different tribes in Northeast India. So do watch the video till the end, and now without further delay, let's check out the ingredients. Pork, ginger, broken rice, freshly pounded chili powder and salt. Now let's start cooking. First of all, add 1.5 liters of water into your pan and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add your pork pieces and rinsed broken rice. Stir it continuously and cook it for 10 minutes. And now we will add our freshly pounded ginger, chili powder and salt to taste. Lower the flame, give it a quick stir, cover the lid and cook it for 30 to 40 minutes until your meat is tender and the rice begins to thicken the gravy. Ensure that you occasionally stir in between. Once the gravy achieves your desired consistency and the pork is completely tender, our ili is ready. And to go along with it, I have fried some snake beans and made some cucumber salad. So guys, how was this delicious rice gruel with pork recipe from Arunachal Pradesh? I hope you have enjoyed watching the recipe, and now I'm going to dive in straight into this yummy-licious pork, which is really tempting. And now let me put this rice gruel over my plate of rice. Yeah. This is looking superb. I really love the color that has come from the dried red chilies. Isn't it looking so amazing? And I know it's rice on rice, so ensure that you have side dishes just like what I have prepared, so that you are not nutrition deficient during your meals. Yeah, this should be sufficient. And here's my beautiful and colorful cucumber salad. Ah, I think a dash of lime would have done an excellent job, but I skipped it today because this recipe is slightly, I don't think anything too tangy will go well. So that's the only reason, but you can always prepare this cucumber salad, just add lime towards the end and you're all set. So here's my delicious looking meal. I hope you will, enjoy this recipe just like me. And now, without blabbing further, let me dive in straight into the pork. Whoa, look at the rice gruel. You can actually feel the starch, and it's really looking shiny and beautiful. And I'm sure this piece of meat is going to be superlatively delicious. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Wow. Perfectly tenderized without any fuss, and I can feel the heat from the chili coming through. The ginger has added an awesome flavor, so just ensure that you always add freshly pounded ginger. That's going to make a lot of difference. And the best part about these gruels are, they're really easy to make. And if you're slightly lazy, then you can, I wouldn't call you lazy. I mean, if you do not have the time to cook, then you can add excess water and probably keep boiling without stirring frequently. I think that's how you can go ahead and prepare. There are a lot of delicious rice gruel recipe. Another favorite one was this miso recipe, which is cooked with roselle leaves. I'm going to put the card right here, so go ahead and check out that recipe video too. If you love roselle leaves or anything tangy, I'm sure that's gonna suit your palate. Mmm. Freshly pounded chilies can do a lot of magic. Ah, and it's hot. Mm. I love snake beans when they are really tender. We were very lucky that we got some of them this week while shopping for groceries and vegetables. Most of the time, whatever I have seen in Bangalore is they're really hard, unlike what we get in Northeast India. Mm, it is tender. I think any side dish will just go perfectly with this. Mm. 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 Yeah, if you remember, I just added about 5 to 6 leaves of, sorry about the background noise, yeah, of mint leaves, and it has added this punch of freshness into an already fresh cucumber, which is really kick ass. Mm. Also, do you know that we have a variety of long beans which are black in color. They're absolutely divine, I must say. And if I get hold of them, I'm surely going to cover it on this channel. Mm. I haven't seen black long beans anywhere except for Northeast India. I'm just parking all my meat pieces here. superlatively delicious, guys. My meal is really hearty, and these are the kind of dishes that we really relish during, cooler, rainy days. Mm. 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 There are not many recipes, or Arunachali recipes to be precise, on my channel. So I would request all my Arunachali viewers and friends to share some of your delicious Arunachali recipes which are awaiting to be explored by the world. I'll be really happy to cover them. So just waiting to hear from you. So go ahead and just type however you wish to. Just ensure that you mention the steps properly as well as the ingredients, and whether it's chopped or pounded. Do let me know them and send them over to my email, which is called snigdhasbioscope@gmail.com. And if this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and check out all my Northeast Indian recipes, as well as I have started a new series which is called Food from Around the World. I'm sure you'll enjoy them too, as well as all my motorcycle and travel vlogs. Mm. Mm. The meat literally super tender that it gets melted. I mean, I can get that blast of fat and meat at the same time. Ah, and if you have never tried pork, go ahead and give it a try. I'm sure you'll fall in love, just like Northeast Indian people who are die-hard fans of pork meat. Mm. Look at this. This is almost like about 1 inch of fat over here. It's looking so good, isn't it? And lose all your inhibitions. If you haven't tried pork earlier, which I have mentioned sometime back, but I'm just repeating myself, please try it. I'm sure you'll love it just like me. Mm. And there is a whole lot of recipes, be it chicken, red meat, even duck and quail is covered on this channel. Also, I have done quite a good number of vegetarian recipes. Do try it out. I'm also showing you snippets of the side dishes that I cook for my meal, and I'm sure this will throw a lot of light onto the side dishes that we basically prepare at home and particularly in Northeast India. Mm. Mm. Amazing. Oh. Mm. This dish has just taken me straight into the mesmerizing, beautiful Arunachal Pradesh. Mm. Mm. I saved a couple of pieces. The dish is just perfect for, even children. So just ensure that you add the chili powder slightly less. And if you freshly pound them, I'm sure it's gonna be much hotter than store bought. But this is really divine. Mm. And with this last morsel comes an end of another delicious meal all the way from Northeast India. If you have watched this video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't yet. And while subscribing, or if you're already subscribed, please go ahead and check if you have hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of my updates. Also, to let you know, I upload every Friday evening after 6 p.m. India time these days. So go ahead and check out those recipes. These Northeast Indian recipes. Other random videos that I make are uploaded on weekdays, which does not have any timing. So the bell button will help you to be notified. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe just like any other Northeast Indian cuisine. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be back next Friday with another delicious recipe all the way from Northeast India. Until then, see you soon.